Today's question is, are open houses now allowed? And the answer is yes. As of mid-May, live open houses are allowed in California and in LA County and Orange County. We're excited about welcoming people back into our listings and seeing them live. There are some rules. You will have to sign in and you'll have to follow the showing protocols. We'll have masks, gloves, hand sanitizer, wipes, all available, and we'll be making sure that everyone signs in and follows the protocols, including social distancing. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks a lot.